from SwissWatchExpo. This is the Rolex Yacht Master. It's a 42 millimeter, 18 karat white gold watch. And of course it's striking about this one that it has the Oyster Flex rubber strap, and it also has the Cerachrome bezel. It's a ceramic bezel that is matte black in the background and high polish on the numbers in the foreground. It gives it a really interesting look. The dial features those huge lume plots, though it's extremely visible in low light. The buckle system that they've used here, it's a machined 18 karat white gold buckle, and really not much of a sizing issue because you can just slide the Easy Glide adjuster and click it into place wherever you need it to be for your wrist size. So it's really a great all-around solution.